Central Bureau of Health Education serves as all except A. Government organization that promotes health through health education, works under Ministry of Women and Child Development, C. Trains key health functionaries, D. Help school teacher training program. See, the Central Bureau of Health Intelligence is associated with Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, not the Ministry of Women and Child Development. The primary purpose of Central Bureau of Health Intelligence is to collate and disseminate health sector related data. It promotes health education, trains health functionaries and assists with school teacher training programs related to health. These initiatives contribute to creating a healthier society by ensuring informed decisions through the availability of health data and educating the masses. So the answer is B. It works under the Ministry of Women and Child Development.